Google's Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro smartphones are scheduled to break cover on October 4 at the Made by Google event. As we are counting down to the launch of the new Pixel phones, alleged hands-on images of the Pixel 8 Pro have surfaced on the web. The latest leak appears to show a black version of the Pixel 8 Pro. It is seen with small bezels around the display, and there is a hole punch cutout located in the center of the screen for the selfie camera. They suggest a matte glass finish for the handset and a triple rear camera unit on the back. A couple of hands-on images of the Google Pixel 8 Pro have been shared on Facebook and X, with the smartphone in question coming in obsidian black. The design of the Pixel 8 Pro has already been known for some time now, with numerous Pixel 8 leaks, some even coming from Google, giving fans a good idea of what to expect on October 4. The images show the front and back of the handset and suggest a design language similar to last year's Pixel 7 Pro. However, it is seen in a black shade with thin bezels around the display. The display appears to have a centrally placed hole punch cutout for the selfie camera. On the rear, the renders suggesting matte finish for the Pixel 8 Pro. This would be a shift from the design of the Pixel 7 Pro. Google has used glossy glass finishes in the previous years on Pixel 6 series and Pixel 7 series. Further, the renders indicate a triple camera unit at the back arranged in the pillow-shaped cutout in the camera bar. The horizontally shaped camera island also houses the flash and thermometer sensor. From a design viewpoint alone, the Pixel 8 Pro seems to be a significant step up from the Pixel 7 Pro, offering a more polished and refined design. These are not the first hands-on images of the Pixel 8 Pro to have appeared online. The first set of photos was shared in early July of a prototype unit showing the fastboot screen. Leaked press renders have also shown off the phone from all possible angles and in all three launch colors. Google itself showcased the Pixel 8 and the Pixel Watch 2 in one of its October event teasers in early September. Based on all the Pixel 8 rumors and reports, the lineup is shaping to be a big upgrade. Google seems to be going all out with its 2023 Pixels, refining its design and making substantial internal improvements. All these changes will apparently come at a cost. Leaks indicate the Pixel 8 will get a $100 price bump, though it is unclear if the Pixel 8 Pro will get a similar hike. Thankfully, we won't have to wait long for the final confirmation, as October 4th is now just a week away. So what do you guys think about these renders? Share your thoughts below in the comment section, and for more updates, you can check out our channel. See you in the next one. Peace out.